This is a 4-minute race. Everybody's on the horn in 5. And they're off. Was it slip? Oh, on the rail, on the back wall. Or on the back side, sorry. All right, looks like Scotty was waiting for him. Scotty. Are you done, Scotty? Oh, no, he's loose. All right. Right now, Randall in the pink leading. I got Blake running second. He's in that black and green. Robert in the silver is third. Jerry fourth in that blue and orange. Oh, Robert. Oh, and watch out in the backside. Stay low in the back. Stay low in the back. All right, I'm going to have Bob move up into that number 4 spot now. What?
3
you don't need
minutes
to be
left.
sorry me. Right now, Blake is my new leader. Randall has moved into second. Robert third. Bob fourth. Jerry fifth. Scotty is sixth. Sam is seventh. Oh, Randall clips the rail. Gets into 3 other drivers. Come on, Randall. You know better than that. Watch out on the rail. Watch on the rail. Uh-oh. You're done, Sam. Stay up here, Sam. Just take a step back here. .220 to go here. 2:20 to go. There's Blake leading right now. He's in that black, white, and green. I got Randall in the pink running second. Oh, watching two. And he's good. Oh, Robert's pulling something up with Robert. All right. Put him down. Watch out right there.
2 minutes
You see
left.
something there, Mark? Oh, okay. I thought that was a piece of plastic. All right. Looks like Robert's done. So Jerry is going to move into that number 3 spot. Randall in that pink. He is sitting second. Blake in the white, and black and green is my leader right now. I got Bob in the yellow and red sitting for Scotty in the red, white, and blue 77. He is 5th right now. I got Sam and Robert off the track. Oh, watch out on the rail. Watch on the rail. Here we go. There you go. Butt on the wall, Sam. Oh, watching the front stretch. There we go.
1 minute left.
All right, looks like Rubber Tire's ready for their race, too. That's the Phil's right there. Parent Randall says he needs to give everybody payback for whatever they wronged him for before. Normally pink is fast, but not. Oh, just got by Blake. Randall just took over the lead. Blake is now second. Jerry is third in that blue and orange, but Bob's making a run as well. Jerry has slowed down a bit. Actually, it looks like Jerry's done. They're going to pull Jerry. Or something. Bob is going to move into that 3rd spot. Bob, you're done. Randall, Blake, Scotty, Jerry is done. All right, all drivers are done. Randall Reynolds, 50.402. Blake did a 50.403. Bob, 45.401. Scotty, 45.403. Good job, guys. Good job.